In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member in Monday.com. Whether you need to clean up your workspace or simply remove someone who no longer needs access, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage your team's membership efficiently. First things first, to remove a member, you'll need to access the admin section of your Monday.com account. Begin by logging into your account. Once you're logged in, head toward the bottom left corner where you'll find your profile picture. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select Admin. It's important to note that only admins have the capability to remove users. If you don't see this option, it means you'll need to ask someone with admin privileges to help out. Now that you're in the admin section, navigate to the Users page. You can find it on the left sidebar of the admin panel. Clicking on it will bring up a comprehensive list. Here, you'll see all of your active members, along with any pending invites and any deactivated users associated with your account. This layout provides a clear overview of who currently has access to your workspace. With the Users page open, it's time to find the member you want to remove. To do this, use the search bar conveniently located at the top of your screen. Type in the person's name or email address to quickly locate them in your list. Once you spot the right person, hover over their name. This action will reveal several options for managing their access. Now, you have two choices depending on what you want to accomplish. Option 1, and the recommended approach, is to deactivate the user. This can be done by clicking the three-dot menu or next to the user's name. From there, simply select Deactivate User. Once deactivated, the individual will lose access to your account immediately. However, don't worry about their data. Their boards, updates, and tasks will remain intact. You can reassign their items to another user at any time. This deactivation method is advantageous not just for maintaining data integrity, but also because it stops billing for that particular user on any paid plans you might be employing. This keeps your workspace data safe and helps manage your subscription costs effectively. There you have it, everything you need to know about removing a member in Monday.com. Hopefully, this process has been simplified for you. As always, if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out via Monday.com's support channels. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your team efficiently.